Once upon a time, there lived a young boy named Jeeth. He was the son of a shepherd and a very mischievous kid. Boy, why are you loitering here? Did you trouble someone again?
No, Baba. I was coming to see if you needed help.
Okay, then take the sheep to the pastures near the jungle. But watch out for the tiger. Shout for help if you're in danger. Our people will be around.
Yes, Baba, understood. Shoo, shoo, move this way, shoo!
Jeeth happily takes the cattle towards the pastures near the jungle.
I think it's time for some entertainment. Aha! I have the perfect idea! Help! Help! Tiger! Tiger!
Tiger attack! Everyone!
Have a weapon!
He is on the tree! Jeeth, don't come down! Where's the tiger?
What are you looking for? There's no tiger here.
Hey, kid, don't play jokes on us. We got a lot of work to do.
All right, I'm sorry. I won't do this again. That look on their faces.
Jeeth decides to repeat the prank.
Let's see if they fall for it again. Help, help! My sheep! The tiger is here!
The villagers again run to his rescue and find there is no tiger.
Jeeth, what is wrong with you? Why are you doing this? Isn't it obvious? He fooled us again.
How come you still fell for this?
The villagers disperse grumpily as the sun is setting.
Help! Help! The tiger is here! Help! Help! The tiger!
This kid will never learn. Such a waste of time. Just ignore him.
Help! Help! They're slaughtering all my sheep! Help! Please!
On that fateful day, Jeeth learned an important lesson. Breaking someone's trust can have disastrous consequences.